What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Redcat Blackout XTE. Today what I'm doing, I haven't ran this thing in years, man. I seen it sitting on the shelf and I was like, man, let me throw a system up in here real quick. This was one of my, this is my first Redcat. This was my very first Redcat. It came brushed, it was slow, then I converted to brushless. Still rocking the plastic gears. I'm gonna let y'all check out the inside. I mean, I put all this stuff that's in here, besides the, yeah, I had this system right here. This is a, I think a Ghoul RC, one of the two things. But I had this system for a very long time, man. This system never let me down. Supposed to only run it on 2S. I'm rocking the factory servo, never changed that out. You see, you got plastic threaded shocks. You got aluminum shock towers. You got a center drive shaft that's metal. You got dog bones all around, CVDs. I believe this got, no, just dog bones. Might be CVDs in the front, I'm not too sure. Yeah, CVDs in the front, dog bones in the back. These is the Redcat Volcano tires though. Had these on another project. But yeah, man, this car, I love this car in its prime, especially when it's brushed. But today what I'm gonna do for the very first time, I'm gonna do a speed test. This is a simple 3S motor. I can't remember what that, I can't even see what that say. I think it might be Ghoul RC, not too sure, but I had this for years. I'm gonna run this, I'm running a Power Hobby 5200 milliamp 2S pack. And I wanna check the speed, see how this thing do. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
Ready.
Yeah, what attracted me to this car was the SUV body. Yo, this definitely brings back memories, man. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but we're gonna still do a speed test, see how it work out. I don't know if I should throw 3S in there. All right, let's start the speed test. I don't know if this got good range. I am using a DX3. Full throttle. Hey, yo. That was full throttle. Let's check that speed. I'm gonna try to throw this 3S battery in there. I know this hit nothing but maybe 17, 19 miles an hour. But I'll be right back. I want to check that speed. Go on this sheet over here. All right, we're going to test that speed. What y'all think I got, like 80 miles an hour? 90? Maybe 100. Yeah, 20 miles an hour as I expected on 2S. I mean, that's not bad. That's not really bad for a 2S system. But I kind of need more push. Because I usually ran this on 3S, but this is plastic gears. I'm gonna throw a 3S battery in here to see what she does. It's gonna be overpowering. I don't wanna break this thing. The thing about this car too, the repairs, yo, the mess with the center drive shaft, I mean the center, not the center, but the spur and pinion, you got to take off stuff. You gotta take this all apart, take this whole top apart. It's a lot. It's a lot. This was my very first experience in working on RC cars, and it was a doozy. And we got on a little faster. That's a lot faster. I'll be satisfied. This is my first speed test on this car. That was full throttle. .110 scale. This is a car they should do over. Cause I really love this body. I love this body. At one point I had lights on it and everything. I'm gonna check that speed real quick. We had 30 miles an hour. Not bad. Yeah, 30 miles an hour, but what I'm doing right about now, I'm just do some bashing around. Take this nav off. Yo. Gotta take it in gears though, man. These are plastic gears. And this system is so old, like, I don't want to heat it up. I can't say it's a ripper, but I still enjoy this car. This car has never been jumped until this day, and I had this for, who knows how long. Well, when this car was out, that's when I had this car. We're gonna try some off-road in a minute. I can't get a real good launch out of it, people. I'm not too sure it can take it if I did. I knew you was gonna do that. What? This is when they, what? This is when I bought this. Yeah, it's gonna break on this. 30 miles an hour. This is a good beginner's car, and this was my beginner's car. And boy, was it a beginner's car. Still hobby grade. It got a servo saver and everything. It's just plastic chassis, plastic arms. Not too durable, but I never rode this hard enough to break anything. Yo, I haven't driven this in a while, people. I'm telling you. Like the system this had in it, I took it out years ago. I couldn't even remember what kind of system it was. Anyway. Oh. suspension ain't too bad, but this is Redcat earlier days, so. And she got a little hot there. Very hot. Very hot. The thing I gotta pay attention to, this is not, and the battery seems to be jammed up in there. I hope I don't start the fire. I'll get this thing out of here. Hold on one sec, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get this battery out real quick. Hopefully the car ain't on fire once I come back. Yeah, man, I had a ball with this. It's not up to date standards, the way it drives and everything. It got rocks all caught up and everything, but it's nostalgic to me because this is where I first Redcat. This is like when I first got into the hobby. You know, I was looking for cars that wasn't too expensive, and Redcat was the place to go. It was hobby grade, not top-notch hobby, but it was hobby grade. And they did run pretty good. Their durability was never there. It was like the durability was not where it's at today's standards, especially even with Redcat. But if I had it to do over, I'd still get this vehicle. The suspension ain't too bad. No, this was a big deal when it first came out. Even if you wasn't a Redcat fan, you probably had this. But yeah, in the comments below, let me know, did you ever have this vehicle? I mean, I know a lot of y'all had this. You started off with this, the Volcano, a couple budget RCs. This one, I love this one right here though. This was my man. Yeah, but let me know if you ever had this or the Volcano, or what is your first RC car? Oops, I got the Traxxas sign still in there. I didn't even realize I still had that in there. I had these on my Slash. That's disrespectful, ain't it? That is very disrespectful. I did not even peep that I still had Traxxas on there. But okay. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.
Perfect.